Yeah, I was thinking, after the pandemic, the world has become active again, and in our super special profession, announcement of head transplant workshops and meetings appear more and more frequently. It's very nice to be able to see our friends again, but it's also good for us to be able to continue educating and specializing in this activity that we love so much. I am Dr. Jose Lorenzo, and I want to introduce to the next workshop of the WFI Institute, our sixth meeting to be held in the city of Bangkok, Thailand, from the 30th of March to the 1st of April 2023. And I was thinking about what reading I will prepare this year that will be novel and that may be interesting to you. A few have came about. I will advance a couple of them very briefly. For example, can you imagine a transplant where the implanted hair doesn't go into the resting phase and grows from the beginning? I have spent time with this idea, doing different experiments on the scalp and beard. And for more than 1 year, it seems that we have achieved the formula in transplant with beard hair. Beard to beard or beard to scalp. Are you interested? Okay, be ready. Second, have you ever had reaction like this in the post-op? We know that bruising and hyperreactive skin have a negative influence of the survival of our graft. I will explain how to minimize this complication by combining different drugs where the tranexamic acid is the clue, as Dr. Alejandro Chueco introduced to us in our last meeting in Istanbul. One last note, our college has been responding to our calls, and we hope to have many new faces in this meeting. As an advance, my dear friends and great dermatologists, Dr. Oscar Munoz will be with us. I am a big fan of his videos in YouTube, and he will come to talk about the latest advantage in hair medication and trichology. More info in my next videos, and remember, we are waiting for you in Bangkok, the 30th of March to the 1st of April 2023, just before Easter, in case you want to take advance of the holidays. Hope to see you all, peers. Bye.